Good morning, this is Paul from 123 Drone. Just a short video to explain and apologise really that I haven't put any videos up yet, which I did promise to do from February for how to run your drone business, or to help people that are wanting to set up a drone business. So I anticipated a certain level of work coming in during January, February, March this year based on last year's work and the clients that I had. What I didn't cater for was a massive upturn in new clients, which happened at the beginning of the year. So what that led to was me servicing those clients, putting that first, because ultimately that's why I'm creating the course and creating the videos for people, to show them that the drone business that I run works, and it certainly does, and you can earn a full-time income. I'm a sole creator. If I had 2 or 3 more people working with me, I definitely would be able to get 3 or 4 times more work, but that's not what I want to do. I want to create the course as well as run a drone business, so I'll be focusing on that. So I have some content which I've recently recorded, which includes construction progress monitoring, how to put a report together, how to do a site visit, how to deliver it to the client, what sort of money you can charge, and that's probably going to be one of the first videos that I will be putting out there in the next week or so. So yeah, thanks for watching, and please bear with me if you are serious about running your own drone business. I can definitely help you 100%. If you want to turn your hobby into a full-time income, which I've been doing now for the last, well, full-time for the last couple of years, but I've actually been carrying out drone work for the last 6 or 7 years. So yeah, please stay tuned, and hopefully I'll see you very soon. Thanks for watching.